Guys, how are we? We're doing another simple video. Today it is my amazing barbecue lamb chops with char grilled Mediterranean veg. Absolutely amazing. And a little yogurt, mint yogurt with a little bit of chili. So we're doing these in the barbecue. What I have here, a little bit of olive oil. These are some of the lovely, these are actually lamb loin chops. You could use shoulder chops. And then I'm going to rub a little bit of salt. And I'm going to roughly chop some rosemary and some thyme. Give them a good pressing, okay, both sides. If you give a wee marinade for at least an hour, or maybe two, or even overnight is perfect. Okay, so that is there. Now for our veg, what we have is I'm using some courgettes and I'm using some peppers. So I just got some lovely courgettes which I'm going to cut. And I've got some pepper. I'm using red, you could use green, you could use yellow. So nice bit of pepper, okay. And for this one now I'm going to use my normal salt. I don't want too much of the sort of that other salt that I'm using. A little bit of pepper. And then I've got a little touch of dried oregano here. So what we're using today is this is an amazing piece of kit. This is my little Calor gas mini barbecue. So straight on to the hot grill, like so. So now we're going to add our courgettes and our peppers. So guys, the best way to do this is just cook this roughly for about 3 to 4 minutes each side. So in here I've got some amazing natural yogurt, any yogurt. Now I've got some lovely mint. And then what I like with this is, it's beautiful, is a little bit of chili. This is sriracha sauce. Any chili sauce you have is perfect. And then we're going to give this a mix. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper in it. Look at that. Amazing. I have to say, this is a great wee barbecue. It gets some heat. And our lovely chop. And then just now a little bit of our delicious yogurt that Jennifer tasted. She said it was absolutely amazing. Guys, that is my amazing simple barbecue lamb chops with Mediterranean vegetables and a beautiful yogurt, mint yogurt with a little bit of chili. Please enjoy.